So this isn't actually a brush, it's a feature called border effect and...
Okay, here's how we're going to make that brush in Procreate. Open up your brush library, click on the plus symbol to make a new brush, bring your spacing down to 0, then click on stabilization, bring the amount up to around 25%, then click on taper, bring the taper down just a little bit, bring the size up to about 50%, and click on Apple Pencil, bring opacity down to 0. Next we want to duplicate that brush. Then we want to swipe right on the brush we duplicated and combine it. Click on that brush again. You see we've got two brushes there now. We click on that brush and change the combine mode to difference. Click on your secondary brush and bring maximum size down to 60 odd percent, 50 or 60% will do, and voila, that's it, you've got the brush in Procreate.